Hello class, my name is Nelly Munoz and I'm so happy to present my website. This is a senior club that is asking for volunteers. I added volunteer option on the main menu. Then a full width picture that my husband took and two more big pictures. One represents what we do and the second is showing volunteers to invite and motivate our volunteers to be part of our team. Right after that, I decided to add some reviews or comments of our seniors, so the people that they can feel motivated to be in our team and make these people happy. Right after those comments, you can find the call to action button to volunteer. On the footer, I just decided to put our information, our activities in social media. What I find a little bit challenging was playing or adding IDs in classes. When I was changing, everything was changing. For example, I wanted to change the heading here. It was changing all my text, and I wanted to have one color for the headings and different color for the text. For example, this button, I want this button to be white, but the rest of the buttons, I want them to be red. However, I want them to be, when I hover on them, the same color. So for this, I had to add some IDs and classes to make these changes. And this is one of the things that I find a little bit challenging, and at the same time, one of the things that I learned that I can take with me. I really liked it. And the other challenging thing was adding media queries, because when you change to a different size, these letters were so big, the buttons, call to action buttons were so big, and the bottom button was a mess. So when you're adding media queries, you can give the format to that size as well. So this is my website. I decided to use bright colors because they bring energy, but at the same time not too many colors. I create this logo that represents an adult with two generations, and the adult is raising the hands saying, hey, I'm here after my retirement. I still have a lot to do. I hope that this site can keep the attention of volunteers, and I hope you liked it. This is my website, and I'm so blessed. I feel so blessed for this class. I learned a lot. I was in zero, and now I know that with codes, I can personalize my website and show exactly what I have in my mind. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.